Hey guys, we're in Coalvile, Utah, and we're going to be doing some farm chores. We're going to be riding four-wheelers and riding some horses. It's going to be a good time.
Watch out.
Yeah, y'all can back up and do the script. Wow! You can slow it. Go to the right. Slow and steady. Slow and steady. Go all the way to the back of the other one. You guys are like, maybe this.
White. So we just finished going out to put some minerals for the cows to lick away on, and now we're just gonna chill.
All the saddles and bribes to go on a horse adventure, so let's do it. This is the saddle that we're gonna put on a horse. Horse is Red. He's gonna be my horse for this trip. This is Sparkle Pants. I'm gonna be riding this one.
All ready to go.
We're gonna be doing a 6-mile trek up the canyon, and that'll take us about 3 hours.
You guys ready?
Yeah,
Saddled up
we're
like
ready.
cowboys. All right, we're starting our 6-mile walk. Yep, cows are moving. Oh, he's feisty. Go Kodiak. Just moving all the cows down this canyon for miles and miles, and we're almost there and ready to get everything situated. Herd them all this way. Those bones. Moving all the cows from this pasture into the next through this gate. Finally, we got them through the canyon. Made it, and it's a beautiful sunset. And he's hungry. All right, gotta load him up. Come on, buddy, it's time to go. Okay. everybody, that was our Backcountry Utah expedition. And we really hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to click that subscribe button. We would really appreciate it. And we'll see you in the next one.